you've seen this effect on videos and you're wondering how it's done, this video is for you. First things first, there are two ways you can do this. Number one is to do it the automatic way, which is to click animations. Once you've clicked animations, you're going to click mini zoom. This one will automatically do the zoom in effect for you, and all you have to do is pick the speed you want it to go. So if you want it slow, if you want it fast, that's the only control you have, but you don't get to pick where it exactly zooms into. Now, if you want a more customized option, then you're going to use your keyframes, and the perfect place to find the keyframes is you're going to click on your video, and then on the top right corner you're going to see the diamond shape with the plus and the minus. Plus means add keyframe, minus means take it away. And so as you can see, I'm moving my video a little bit, zooming in, and that automatically adds a keyframe. I zoom in again, automatically adds a keyframe, and when I zoom in again, it adds a keyframe. So you can customize this to your liking. You can move it left, right, up, down, zoom in, zoom out, and it will be perfect. Here's the end result. Comment down below and let me know what else you'd like to learn. See you next time.